How are you? I hope all are you are fine. Today we will discuss the physics first year chapter number 11. Exercise short questions. Chapter name heat and thermodynamics. Question number 1. Why the average velocity of the molecules in a gas container is 0 but the average of the square of the velocity is not 0? Answer. Reason. Average velocity of the molecule. The motion of a gas molecule is random, so if a molecule is moving in one direction, another will be moving in opposite direction. Thus, the vector sum of these velocities is 0. You can see here formula. Velocity is equal to v plus minus velocity over 2 is equal to 0. Plus velocity minus velocity cancel out to each other. Average of the square of velocities. As the square of the negative velocity is positive, so the average of the square of the velocity is not equal to 0. Question number 2. Why does the pressure of gas in a car tire increase when it is driven through some distance? Reason. This is due to work done against the friction between road and tire. This work done appear as heat. This heat is absorbed by the gas molecule. It increases the average kinetic energy of molecule as pressure is directly proportional to kinetic energy, so pressure of gas is increased. Question number 3. A system undergoes from state P1 P V1 to state P2 V2 as shown in figure. What will be the change in internal energy? Answer. The change in internal energy of the system is 0. Reason. It is clear from figure that temperature of the system is constant. It means that internal energy is also constant as it depends upon the temperature, so there will be no change in internal energy. Question number 4. A variation of volume by pressure is given in figure as a gas is taken along the path A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A and A to A. What will be change in internal energy? Answer. The change in internal energy of the system is 0 in all cases. Reason. As all the processes are cyclic, so the system return to its initial state after each cycle. Hence, the internal energy of the system does not change. Question number 5. Specific heat of gas at constant pressure is greater than the specific heat at constant volume. Why? Reason. When gas is heated at constant pressure, then 1.1 a part of heat is used to do work on piston. Number 2, rest of heat is used to increase the temperature through 1K. When gas is heated at constant volume, then all the heat observed is used to increase temperature through 1 Kelvin. That's why the molar specific heat at constant pressure is greater than molar specific heat at constant volume. Question number 6. Give an example of a process in which no heat is transferred to and from the system but temperature of the system change. Answer. In adiabatic process, no heat enter, no leave the system take place but temperature of the system changes. You can see the equation Q is equal to delta U plus W. Q is equal to 0, 0 is equal to delta U plus W minus delta U is equal to W adiabatic expansion. Delta U is equal to minus W adiabatic compression. So by doing so, whole mechanical energy is converted into internal energy. Examples: rapid escape of air from burst tire, rapid expansion and compression of air through which sound wave is passing. Question number 7. Is it possible to convert internal energy into mechanical energy? Explain within an example. It is most important short questions. Yes, it is possible to convert the internal energy into mechanical energy. Example: when a gas is allowed to expand adiabatically, the gas does work on the surrounding by using internal energy, due to which its internal energy decreases. W is equal to minus delta U. Gases can be liquefied by the process. Question number 8. Is it possible to construct a heat engine that will not expel heat into the atmosphere? Answer: no, it is not possible. Reason: what is the reason? Reason is, if it is possible, then it will be violations of second law of thermodynamics, which state that it is not possible to construct a heat engine that will not expel heat into atmosphere without leaving any change on the working substance. Question number 9. A thermos flask containing milk as a system is shaken rapidly. Does this temperature of milk rise? Is most important short question. Yes, the temperature of the milk rises. Reason: we know that temperature directly proportional to its kinetic energy. So when we rapidly shake the thermos flask, we do some work on milk. This work done increase the kinetic energy of molecule of milk, hence temperature of milk rises. Question number 10. What happened to the temperature of the room when an air conditioner is left running on a table in middle of the room? Is most important short question. Answer: the temperature of room will not decrease, even it increase slightly. Reason: an air conditioner is running at the middle of the room. It absorbs as well as reject heat in the same room at the same rate. So temperature of the room remain unchanged. But due to working of the compression, some heat is produced due to friction. So temperature of the room will increase slightly. Can Question number 11. Can the mechanical energy can be converted completely into heat energy? If so, give an example. Is most important short question. Yes, it can be converted completely into the heat energy. When a gas is compressed isothermally, the work done is converted into heat by the first law of thermodynamics. You can see here the equation is solved. Question number 12. Does entropy of a system increase or decrease due to friction? Yes, it's most important short question. Yes, the entropy of the system increase due to friction. You can see here formula of the entropy. Due to friction, some mechanical energy is converted into heat energy, which increase the entropy of the system. Question number 13. Give an example of natural process that involve an increase entropy. Is most important short question. We know that entropy is measured by the following equation. See here formula. Example: the melting of the ice involved in increase the entropy. Ice absorb the heat from its surrounding and change its state from solid into liquid, thus entropy increase. All natural process in which friction is involved, entropy of the system increase. Question number 14 is most important, and adiabatic change is the one in which. Number A. No heat is added or not taken out of a system. B. No change of temperature take place. Number 3. Bowel size applicable. Number D. Pressure and volume remain constant. Number A is incorrect. Answer is A. No heat is added or taken out of a system is answer A. Question number 15. Which one of the following process is irreversible? Number 1. A. Slow compression of a elastic spring. B. Slow evaporation of a substance is an isolytic vessel. C. Slow compression of a gas. D. A chemical explosion. Answer is D. A chemical reaction. A chemical explosion is irreversible. Question number 16. An ideal reversible heat change engine has A. 100% efficiency, B. Highest efficiency, C. An efficiency will depend on the nature of the working substance. D. None of these. Answer is B. Highest efficiency. This is the exercise of physics chapter number 11. I hope you can note all the questions. The all the questions that are come in the board is from the exercise. So please cover up all the exercises. Thanks for watching my videos.